Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to use Canva on your laptop for beginners. Canva is a powerful and user-friendly tool you can access right from your laptops or your computer. So in order to start using Canva, simply follow the instructions provided in the video and watch it till the end. Step 1. Signing up and choosing your design on Canva. Start off by opening up a web browser. To get started, once you open up a web browser, go to the search box and type in canva.com and search. Once you end up in the official website for Canva, head over to the top right hand corner and click on the sign up button if you want to create a new account. You can continue signing up with Google, Facebook account, with an email address, or choose any other options available on the screen. Choose one of the options that is suitable for you and follow through the instructions in order to create a new account for Canva. Follow through the instructions till the end and you will then be able to create a new account for Canva. Click on Start My Free Trial and select a package you'd like to pick up. Once you select a monthly or the yearly package of your choice to access Canva, you will then receive a free 30-day trial. Once you are done creating your account, you'll then end up in the main homepage. Explore the vast library of design templates for various purposes. You can use it for social media posts, presentations, posters, flyers, and much more. You can also search for a specific type of design that you are looking for with the help of the search box at the top. Alternatively, you can also start off with blank canvas. Step 2. Exploring Canva interface. On the left hand side of the main homepage, you will find different tabs such as Home, Projects, Templates, Brand, Apps, and more. These tab holds all of your building blocks for your design. In the center is where your magic happens. Choose the designs you'd like to work with and edit according to your need. You can drag and drop elements, add text, upload your own image, share and download your edits to social media, and much more. Use the elements on the left hand side menu of the screen. You can drag and drop the elements according to your need. Simply go exploring with the elements and create your design. The key is to make sure to play around with the elements. Make sure you find the best one for your design. Once you're happy with your design, you can click on the share button at the top right and share the design with other people, group, or your team. To download the design to yourself, click on the download button and select the file type for your design, quality, and other elements. Finally, click download in order to download your design that you just created. And there you have it. With these basic steps, you will now be able to create amazing visuals using Canva on your laptop. Remember that practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment and explore many features Canva offers. That is how you can easily start using Canva on your laptop in just a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.